Peruzzi and Chioma Beke. Hey. Make I do it like our olden days people. No be me, oh. I bet make a quote according to how they tell me. They say Peruzzi and Chioma, they No, I don't even know how I even want to start this matter because if I say I'm shocked, it's an understatement. Hey! Before, he's my cousin, she's my cousin, baby sis, big bro. No title where I know here. And I remember one time, person, I don't even call his name. He come outside tell us so. Say these people, they see them, they chill together for one house. I say, but they say they be cousins. My people, till now, another matter don't come on top of that one. Person go comment about Davido and his lawyer friend Peruzzi. For now, we don't know who be Peruzzi. I better put a picture first. This one a musician. I'm not saying I know. They make me they waste my time. So the boy go comment for Davido about his loyalty, friendship with Peruzzi. He go tell Davido say bros, Peruzzi and Chioma, you know, be cousins. Now they kasala start a boss. My people, no be hi Chineke. Una no go understand how they feel right now for this matter. I don't know whether they be cousins or me. I no go talk say they be cousins because I don't know. But wait till I fit tell una right now be say for this Nigeria everything is possible. Yes, and now this same Nigeria where you and person be from one village, even neighboring village, say, hey, my sister, my brother, neighboring village. I know they talk or say, now your mama push her out to neighboring village. They go say, hey, this one, hey, that one. Now, my people, they say Chioma and this guy don't do. So I don't bring Peruzzi on a screen himself because for one interview, they ask him. You understand? So he can tell us how he see the whole matter. So I bet join me, make we watch Peruzzi.
I got to realize that guy, first of all, you can't even be moving with just anybody. So now I'm careful to the level of asking my guy, like, who's standing behind me? Like, you can't even stand behind me if I don't know you, you get me? Because I don't know why you're standing behind me.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to be worried because people, I understand now that human beings are crazy.
Yeah.
Somebody said I had sex with the person that helped me, with his wife.
That's like,
do you know how crazy?
Destroy.
That means when you're about to post that thing,
Yes.
you can't tell me you did not think of what
Consequences.
the David himself would think of. Even if you don't send me, even if you hate me,
Yes.
what did the guy do to you?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you see how human beings are.
Right.
So they're actually crazy.
Yeah.
So right now, any pain will drop near me, will drop
you have to
If
be
not
extremely
be,
careful.
we drop palm.
Yeah.
Sure, I'll go on side.
My cousin, my people, this cousin, brother, sister, nephew matter, you don't tire me. I am tired. Yes, I am tired of these people matter. They do one, they no do one. And this one. Peruzzi even said somebody's wife. So Chioma na person wife. Okay, I did not know. I beg make una forgive me. Because the last time I checked, the ring has been there since. I don't know what they do. This matter is very delicate. And as it be, na the only people wey fit talk. Na just Peruzzi and Chioma. They are the only people that can say something now concerning this matter. Now only them know the truth. Me, you, even Davido himself, you don't know. Nobody knows the truth concerning this matter. Chioma, Peruzzi. No be today. No be today with the year sister, brother, this one. Una don't see smoke without fire before. No, for this matter to pop up now, meaning say something. I don't know. I beg, make una no come put words for my mouth. But for this matter to come out, my people, I never see smoke without fire. You don't see clubhouse without music or without alcohol. Clubhouse. Now the same thing. So I beg, me, I don't know what I go talk concerning this matter. I bring her out because I want una opinion. What you not think concerning this matter? Because all the people will come out before, they bring siblings title. He's my cousin, my brother, my this. Where they did today? Some don't marry you. Some don't get children. The same people wey come outside, they deny allegations. They swear on top their parents' head. Where they dey today? So I say I go bring her come outside. I want una opinion. Wetin una think? Peruzzi do am with Chioma, abi they no do am? Are they cousins? Abi they are no cousins? It's too heavy for my mouth to talk, so I beg. Wetin una think? Drop am for that comment section because the matter dey very, very hot. And why not, if not, share this video because we need more. We need people to know wetin dey happen right now. We don't know wetin dey cause Chioma and Davido problem. Maybe now wetin dey cause delay of wedding ring, abi marriage. I don't know. So because and subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go to miss all the interesting things when we get here for you. Why not? Just click on that thing. No will kill you. You understand? Stay tuned for our next story. Spain-bound trafficker, they don't arrest her. This one happen for Murtala Mohammed Airport, Lagos Ikeja. Oh, my people. This one not be the regular drugs one I know. In fact, this one it make me sleep wake up because I needed to confirm the whole wahala. They say this guy been there about to board a Turkish airline flight. When now from that place they call Kacha, they put them under excretion observation. I don't know how many of you don't already they get where they go. Excretion observation. Now there they put them. I don't know who go snitch. I don't know what they manage. No, but my people now so they carry this guy. If you not see what is this guy, they bring out for a yash. 9:58 a.m. You go bring out 39 raps. Around 6:30 p.m. you go bring out 13 raps. 10:30 p.m. you bring out 16 raps. Then 7:30 a.m. 32 raps all together. I know these raps all are the year. When they put them together, weigh them, calculate them for naira. My people, 423 million naira. Now been inside this boy's stomach. I beg, may not be like say I just the talk because I want to. Because join me, make me watch the video.
What is your name? Pardon? Henry. I'm not hearing you. Open your mouth. Henry. Okay, start counting. How many? 39. How many? 39. Who has scriptured them? You who?
For all of us, because we save our day inside. When we they ask every time, where did they see this money? Where did they see this money? I will not sure say we ready to go the way they go. Because before we they think that the normal way where we they work, we they get money. Charlie. No, this one. 423 million, 9% just put. Ha! I bet this one now, before you know it, they go come to say, Odogu, yes. They go come the hyper. They don't know say this one. He don't suffer. In fact, they don't know say shit better shit before it become that Odogu. 113 wraps of cocaine. I been there persist stomach. Like I not just don't understand. The kind risk where we they take nowadays, I don't confuse. But my question be say, abeg, those people for airport, whether na police or security, how they take no say this thing been there this man's stomach? I know say they do that check thing. I know, but my people, I bet this one today, it's 2 days suspicious. It be like this person they behind, one snitch they behind this thing. Ha! Mogbe. This one pass. In fact, he pass matter. But una like risk, oh. Una like risk. I bet forget that. So wait, this guy no come think say, okay, what if as they go now? All these drugs come burst inside his stomach. On regular highness, you go high before you know and you don't die. Instant death. You go die. You know what they you know how many raps we they talk about? 100 and something for this small stomach. If you die now, they go come to blame devil. They go say, hey, na devil do it. I don't understand. And the one way even they pay me for this matter because they told Sena for Spain. In don't they stay for years. You don't they stay for Spain for years. You know if you just think of one job. You know if you look for one job all the years where you did for Spain. They swear for you. I been a juju. I beg, see. I come back to the normal thing where always they talk. Everybody get choice. No tell me I don't have a choice. We all have choices. This one now one I just want. I bet this guy no fit go dey teach English for Spain. There are many people who need learn English. You are even in a country where they know they speak English and you cannot use your head up. I not just, oh God, why you give some people head when you suppose share that head? All the things where they head, you for suppose share and add them to my wisdom. Wisdom not go kill me. You are in a country, they know they speak your language. So make you good use of it. Start to teach your language now. For this your age again, I go teach you something. For this your age, I go still teach you something. Una go dey risk una lives before you know either na jail sentence or death penalty. Meanwhile, una wetin they call am barons. No be so they call their captains. Their barons go dey busy, they flaunt on Instagram. And now una go dey suffer. Now una be the passengers, I be travelers. How everyone call una. My people, na the matter be this. How many of una know the man? I bet make una go find way because as he be now, as he be, where you go enter, una no go see her again. And I hope say this thing go teach una lesson. Say no to drugs, either by trafficking or taking it. I no understand. Say no to drugs. You go just die before your time. Wetin concern me? I beg start the drop the comment for that comment section, and as usual, I go reply now one by one. Make sure say you share this video because everybody must know wetin dey happen right now. And if you never subscribe, wetin you dey wait for? Just click on that notification bell so that you no go miss anything wey we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.